You ready to? Okay. Let's let Ruby out now. Ruby, you ready to come out? You gonna stop being mean to your brother? You still staying out here. Now I'm making you stay out here with your brother. Smoke, where you go? Y'all be nice. I don't know where you going, Ruby. Your food over here. Your food over here. You staying out here with your brother tonight. Since you want to be bullying him. Oh, see, now you ain't got nothing to say? That's what I'm saying. He just want to be your friend. He just want to be your friend. That's your brother. You hear me, Ruby? That's your brother. Ain't that right, Smoke? That's your sister? That's your sister? She be bullying you. You gonna be more nicer now, Ruby? You gonna be nicer to your brother? Alright, I'm leaving. Y'all be good. Go back, Smoke, so I can take a picture. Damn, I was trying to take a picture. Okay, y'all be good. I'm out of here. Smoke. Nope, stay out of there. That's his spot. You don't like him in your spot, don't go in his spot. There you go. See, y'all can coexist together. Ruby, your food over there. It's on the side. Yep, keep going over there. It's on the side. Ruby, over here. Your food over here. Look. It's right here. There you go. Smoke. Smoke. Back up. Let her eat in peace. It's okay, Ruby. You okay. You can eat. You can eat. Smoke. Whatever. I'm out of here. Yeah, I'll figure it out.